The third one is the political or legal segment. And under this segment are the National Telecommunications Commission or NTC, Government Permits, and Prepaid Protection Act. The National Telecommunications Commission is an attached agency of the Department of Information and Communications Technology responsible for the supervision and control over all telecommunications services throughout the country. It is the major regulatory body that oversees operation tests of the telecommunications services in the country. The government is in charge of the regulation and supervision of the public telecommunications services provision and radio spectrum management. The wireless telecommunications service provider cannot operate without the necessary permits and requirements set by the government through the National Telecommunications Commission. The companies are obligated to secure a congressional franchise and certificate of public convenience and necessity that are renewable every 25 years in order to start and continue operations. There are also laws enacted for the liberalization of the telecommunications sector that are still enforced today. Accordingly, Smart have completed these necessary permits and requirements which allow them to operate up until today. The most notable government regulation recently released was Memorandum Circular 0307-2009 in abolishing